Welcome, my dear students of grade 7. Most of you and your parents asked me to publish grade 7 videos of mathematics because I publish many grade 11, 10, 9, 8, also separate for advanced level combined maths. Therefore, I decided today to show some videos for grade 7 for loving students for mathematics. So dear students, those are for all are you newcomers for this my channel. So please subscribe and press the bell symbol. Then you will receive my attractive explanations of mathematics videos for grade 7 year after. I decide to publish a lot of series of mathematics hereafter. Okay. Today I will take, my dear children, a lesson called percentages. Chapter 22 in your book. So please stop the video, go rush and bring your grade 7 book, part 2 book, and keep it yourself. It's local part 2 book, chapter 22, very useful and continuously comes in grade 8, 9 and so on. Today I will explain some more parts of the percentages. Singaling Pratishata, Tamil Sadaveedam and Solluvaanga. Pratishata is called percentages. That's very important part in mathematics. Okay. First I will give some introduction. What do you mean percentage is simple meaning fraction out of 100. Okay, a fraction out of 100 we call percentage. If here 100, here 5, therefore this is a percentage. Which one here percentage is 5%. We read this meaning 5%. Okay, 5% or percent. 5% 100%. සාමාන්‍ය වචනයෙන් කියනවා නම් 100%. 100%. Out of 100, 5%. Okay. If I say 20 out of 100, 20 out of 100, 20 is called what? 20%. Okay. 20%. So with me you can copy this my lessons, keep a separate notebook. You can cover it more lessons through this my YouTube channel, right? 20% is this, right? If I say out of 100, 50, this we call 50%. 50%, right? So if I say 50 in word form, if I write the word form, 50%, okay, 50%. This is the idea, basic part. So what is a percentage? A fraction out of 100. That means below 100, above whatever number. Denominator 100, numerator, actually any number, if it's come 150 above 150, say 150% or percent, okay? And there's a symbol of percentage. You know this symbol? What is that? Equal. This one, greater than, greater. This one, less than. Like there are symbol for percentage. Within bracket you can write the heading like this. I think you've seen that many environment you can see in the bookshops or the textile. Big banners are there. 5% discount, 20%, 50% off. You can view hereafter. පොඩ්ඩක් හොඳට බලන්න යන තැන මේ වගේ සිම්බල් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඊට මාරි අඩයාලම් ඉතින් percentage අඩයාලම් 50%, okay? So the main part is over. How to write the percentage out of 100 as a fraction. This is word form. Then by this my explanation we can work some question in your book. Turn page 104. Turn the page 104 and with me you can do that question. 22.1 exercise, okay? 22.1 exercise. This is 22nd chapter in your local textbook part 2, right? See the first question, what is that? Write the percentages given below in the words using the percentage symbol. We have to write the percentage symbol. See again I show you this one, 5%. But the symbolic form like this, 5 and write this 5%, that's the meaning, right? Out of 100, 20 mean 20%. How that? 20, show this double dot like that. 20%. So come here, 50%, how? Out of 50, like this. For this code, how to write the percentage mark and that work, right? You can see clearly. So now I show the answers of that. You also work with me. Write the percentage given below in words using the symbol or sign. S-I-G-N means sign, symbol. First part is what? First question. What is that? 2%. How to write that? 2%. What's the meaning? 2%, 2%. Second one, 20%. So that one, 20%. Okay, like you can complete all. 100%. Okay, so third part answer 100%, like that. Okay, so the fourth part what that is 175%. It can be any number, no matter. ඕන සංඛ්‍යාවක් එන්න පුළුවන්. වේන්දිය ඉලක්කங்கள் වරலாம். 170%. What is that? 175%. Okay, like that. 12.5%. So I hope you learned 3 months long vacation due to Corona, but you learned something in the school, grade 6 completely successfully. You complete the grade 6. Sometimes grade 7 only first term because of sports practices and some things in the first term. And here you complete. So 12.5 fraction. How that fifth part answer 12.5. Okay. It can be any number, fraction answer, decimal answer, no matter. Last one, 30.5%. So my dear student, you know decimal point, dashamasthana, decimal, 30.5. 30.5%. This is the meaning, how the word form convert to the symbol form. වසනංගල තරුවද අඩයාලத்தில் කාට වන අර වචනෙන් දෙන්නේවා අපි සංඛාත්මක සංඛ්‍යාත්මක that idea, that symbol form වලින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්, right? So I hope this idea is okay. There are various types of question. This part is okay, right? Not only this, you have to practice many problems similar to this. See second question. See, go through and see what the second question. Try your own knowledge. Any problem there? Second question, there are some problems. Write down how each of the percentage given below is read. How to read? First part, 25 like this. How you read, will you? How? 25%. Very good, nice. 25%. You can write in English word form. 25%. Okay. 25% is the answer here. This comes the school paper, simple exam. You can get full marks here. Next one, 180. 180, this simple. You tell me, what is that? Read this in English. 180%, right? Okay, nice. 180. 180%. Let's say 100. 180. 80. Not only 80, write the percent word also. Percent, right? Therefore, I hope you can write. You learn the grade 6 how to write the number into word form into digits form. Okay. So 180%. What is last one? 7.5. Okay. Last part. Can you? 7.5% or percentage, no matter, but your book shows percent. Okay. So not only now, till you advance, when you are elder, you are 60 years, 75 years old, you need how to read this. 7.5%. Okay, 7.5%. So first part is okay, second okay. I hope you understood something clearly. Now come the third question, third problem. See question number 3. Read and see what they ask about the type 3 question. Third problem. But that write the percentage corresponding to each of the following fraction of a unit. There are so many things. Word form, write the symbol form. Sometimes symbol form, write as the word form. Okay. And the one is what fraction is given, write the word form. Fraction is given, write the symbol form. Here what they ask, symbolic form, right? Notation pattern. සියයට 9යි. මේක සලකුණු ආකාරයෙන් අපි ලියමු. කොහොමද percentage notation එක දාලා symbol එක දාලා ලියන්න ඕනේ. Percentage අඩයාලත පොට්ටු අඩ දවනවා. Out of 100, 9. So how that? 9, write this symbol. 9%. Okay. Next one. My dear students, you can try on now. I hope you understood clearly my methods. Follow me how I'm explaining this simple method. I'm showing simple word form. Sarla vachane man katha karanne amaruwak naha. Easy. Maths is a very easy lesson, very easy chapter, not only for grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 all. Very interesting chapter, mathematics. Out of 130, write the symbol form. So what is that? 30 like this, percentage, 30%, okay? So third part answer 100, below 100. So no doubt, see, you can your exam marks. One of you took out of 100, 30 marks in mathematics. One of you out of 100, 9 marks for some subjects. One of you 100 of 100 for mathematics in the future exams if you follow my all videos. So what the answer? 100%. So please, my dear children, subscribe. If you want to subscribe, press the bell symbol. Press the automatic videos. Okay? Subscribe, press money save, money symbol. Press that. You can forward. You send your brothers, sisters, colleagues, any of your friends all over the world. This YouTube is the best platform I choose. Wherever you can learn from YouTube, no time duration, no problem. But Zoom or the Google Classrooms or any other that is limited. Hereafter you can't watch it, I think. Therefore, that's I followed this YouTube platform. So take full opportunity. I publish here many, I think nearly 75 videos in this channel. You can see for the other grades. This for under my name, different for the Bright Academic and for A-level combined maths. There also I published nearly 60 videos for advanced level අයියලාට ගොඩක් මම දාලා තියෙනවා. මේක ඔබලාට ගොඩක් parents අහපු නිසා මම මේ පටන් ගත්තා grade 7 උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජනෙ ගන්න நிறைய பெற்றோர்கள் மாணவர்கள் கேட்டுக்கொண்டது கிணங்க இந்த வீடியோ நான் தயார்படுத்திருக்கிறேன். Okay, next one, last one, the answer. Out of 100, 105. So what the answer? 105%. Okay. 105% is the idea. So I hope you clearly identify this method. Now see last part, question 4, fourth type problem here. Write the fraction corresponding to the percentage given below. Anit patta percentage denawa fraction එක ලියමු. So fourth problem, the first part 33 symbol percentage. 33%. So write the fraction. How that? Very first I said percentage means out of 100. So below 100, here 33. Okay. Second part, out of 100%. So what the answer? Out of 100, 100. Okay. See here, next part. 85%. 85% out of 100. Are you tell? What? 85. out of 185. Last one, 1% out of 100. That is what? 1% out of 100, 1. So I will give some more problem here. See, fifth one, 7.5. 7.5. Not only whole number, not only integer value, how the decimal answer. Same method follow at the moment. Later I'll show you some different pattern. Out of 100, what? 7.5. Okay. 7.5. See another one. 30 and half percentage. So how you learn up to now? Then වෙනතුරු ඉගෙන ගත්තා අපි දාමු. ඉදුවරයි படித்ததை கொண்டு கற்றதை கொண்டு எழுதுங்கள் அன்புக்குரிய மாணவர்களே. So how that, dear children, how? Out of 100, 30 half. So I hope you know how to write these percentage, fraction, word form, everything, okay? Right. Okay, complete next items also. I explain something about the other problems. See now, any number, any fraction, how to give the percentage method, right? See, simple example. 1 over 10. 1 over 10 percentage, how? All the problem what we did now, we completed what? Below 100. Below 100 only, that straightly you can write the answer. Below 10 comes out. Not a problem. You learn the grade 6 equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Samavada pinnam, samanupata bhaga. ලියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. මේක 100 කරන්න. ඉතින් නූරා මාත්තංගල. How to write the equivalent fraction? How you make this 100? Multiple by 10. Numerator or up and down. Denominator multiple by 100, right? So 1 over 10 up multiple by 10, below also multiple by 10. Then only become 100. Up and down multiple by 10, okay? Because there are only 100 here. So what the answer? 1 times 10, 10. Below what? 100. So out of 100, 10 means that's the percentage. What is that? 10%. So my dear student, this is the example. Copy this, right? Copy everything you noted later. If you or download this video later, you study with these ideas and how I am explaining this. එටික බලලා ලස්සනට පිළිවෙලට හදාගන්න වෙනම පොතක් තියාගන්න පටන් ගන්න. So this is the fraction. See, I show another one. 2 over 5. 2 over 5 එප්පඩි නූත්තුක මාතුවද සදවීදම් percentage. කොහොමද ප්‍රතිශත වලට හරවන්නේ? Below should be 100. That is grade 6 වල ඔබලා කරා. You forgot it everything. You forgot everything. So another chance, final chance to learn this in my view, my explanation. So 5 make this 100. How the 5 කොහොමද 100 එන්නේ? අයින්ද එප්ප නූරා මාරුම්. Multiple by what? 25? 5 multiple by 25, 125, no, 20. Multiple by 20, right? Therefore, 2 multiple by 20, because below 5 multiple by 20, okay? So write the answer. 40 below 100, therefore 40%. 40%. How any fraction can be shown as a percentage symbol, okay? This is my 2 example. Copy down this. Now we check that your book problem, page 105. See, page 105. Go through and see, my dear students. You can try now that question. That is first question there. First question. So many parts there, my dears. First one, 3 over 4. 3 over 4. what the percentage. So multiplication table very important. You have to keep by heart. 7 times 8, 9 times 5, 6 times 4. Tag gala කියන්න ඕනේ. Multiple දැන් නැත්තම් maths ම අපහසුයි. Full corona. Maths එක corona වෙනවා නැත්තම්. So my dear students, multiple நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க table. Study that. Then only maths become a easiest chapter, right? With my experience, I am a leading teacher in candidates region schools, a government school. I am a teacher and also a vast experience of teaching mathematics from primary to advanced level mathematics from grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 13. So the main problem students feel they don't know multiplication idea. So study properly that one. Okay, 3 over 4. So how to write this? Make this 100. 4 becomes 100. How? Multiple by 25. So 4 multiple 25. So 3 also multiple 25. Okay, therefore the answer what? 75 over 100. So what is the answer? 75 percentage. Okay, that's the method. Next 1 over 10. I shown 1 over 10. It's completed. Okay. Next one, try 15 over 20. Third one there, 15 over 20. Can you write as a simple method? You follow how I am explaining this. Make the 20 to 100. How 20 becomes 100? 20, 20, 20. How many times? 5 times. Multiply by 5, right? So 15 multiply by 5. Below 20 multiply by 5. So what is 15 times 5? 75, right? 75 below 100. That is what? 75 percentage. Okay, that's the idea. You can work all that question. Another one, 3 over 2. Next, fourth problem there. 3 over 2 balanda. How the percentage lepadika to the 3 over 2. Think about how to convert. 2 make 100. That is grade 6 you learn. How 2 become 100. Multiple by 50. Therefore 3 multiply by 50. Also below 2 multiply by 50. Up and down same number multiple. That's called equivalent fractions, right? There were the answer 150 below 100. So what is that? 150%, a big number, more than 100, a big value, right? It can be any value, no problem. Want to try next question? How the next problem? Try on. Try stop the video. Try on and check with me my answer. 13 over 10. 13 over 10. So what the idea? Below number make 100. Numerator make 100. 10 there. Multiply by 10. 10 times 10. 100. Okay. Therefore 13 multiply by 10. Below 10 multiply by 10. So 130 over 100. Therefore 130 percentage. 130 percentage symbol. See at big number greater than 100, right? Okay, next part. That's the mix. You know, there are so many types of fraction. You tell a fraction, you learn grade 6. Fraction types. Proper fraction. You improper fraction. You tell unit fraction. This one mixed fraction. Okay, 1, 2, 5. That's called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction problem. So my dear students, cell and never you learn already. Mixed fraction එක මේ වගේ හරව ගන්න. Mixed fraction convert to the improper fraction. How? Simple maths. How that? 1 multiple 5. 5 add 2. 1 times 5. 5 add 2. 7. that is 7 over 5. Now do the rest. Then ඔබලට හදන්න පුළුවන් කරන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ చేయலாம் தானே. ஐந்த நூறா மாற்றங்கள். When 105 becomes 100, multiplied by 20. So up and down, multiply 20. Multiply 20. So what is that? 140. Below 100, that is 140%. Very interesting mathematics. Every chapter very simple. If you follow, love it, study hard, then your higher grades come easy. Mathematics parts. Try the same idea last one. Problem 7. Problem 7 is what? 1/7 over 20. Problem 7. Convert to the percentage. This is also mixed fraction. Write the improperly and go to the percentage. 1 times 20, 20, add 7, 27, therefore below 20. Now 20 becomes 100, multiplied by 5, okay? So 27 multiplied by 5, below 20, multiplied by 5. So what is that? 20 times 5, 100. 27 times 5, what? 7 times 5, 35. 3 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 and 3, 13, okay? So what the final answer? 135%. Therefore, my dear students, I hope you understood clearly. Very first I said what the meaning of the percentage as a fraction of 100. Pallaya siya tibbama as a percentage. Next, you know how to write the word form, percentage, to word form, percentage, the fraction form. Next, a given fraction, how to write the percentage pattern. So here these values are, denominator values are easy to make 100. මේවා පහසුවෙන් 100 කරන්න පුළුවන් අගය. ඉතිකල ඉලගුවාක නෝට්ටුක්කු මාත්තලා. Some questions there later I will show you some problem. 1/7. 1/7. How to make 7 100? Which number multiple gives you 700? 2/3. Which number gives 3 to 100? That's a problem, difficult. That is not a perfect answer, decimal answer. So you think, as a scientist, you think something, the future, how to work. I try to show next video some more percentage, attractive explanation. So copy these and study, refer these. Very soon I'll meet you through another video. So, and the important thing, subscribe this, then you will automatically receive my all videos. Also forward to your friends and ask to subscribe, that for everybody this you can continuously send to others, then they will also study this long school vacation. Very soon I will meet you through this YouTube platform, right?